Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can customize a create a landscape poster in Canva. So in search your content or canvas, or you can go to the template section here, type in landscape poster, and a lot of options will show up. Just select the one that you want to edit. I'm going to edit this one. So customize this template, and here I'm going to type in thrift sale, and then here you can even change the picture. So I'm just going to type in retro outfit, maybe like this one or this one, I don't know. Here you can also change the date and the text, etc. You can even change the colors. I'm just going to type in retro color palette here. This is a trick that I like to use. Maybe this one. Whoops. Right click, apply colors to page. I need a better photo than that. But like 80s outfit, I don't know. Orange. But I'm just gonna put this one because why not? I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. And that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.